DJ NTV.
Country people, e be like say coronavirus don dey fear exercise o, because the video we wan see now come go show two very important people for we country Nigeria. These two important people, the video show us say dem dey do exercise for this coronavirus time when e be say lockdown come dey. Beg show us the video make we see.
Politicians only help us. Religious leaders cannot help us. Only God, only God. Mind show sugar.
Country people, shey una don see am with una eyes say Baba Uncle Shege and Osho Baba dey even engage in exercise. So make we dey exercise our body from now on. Na example dey show us o. If this one na the first time when you take dey watch our news videos like this, abeg no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV, and make you no forgetful to hit the notification bell so that you go continue to get ogbonge news videos from us like this.
DJ NTV.